Hey y'all, Bear here. Look here, we're gonna cook on the fire later. That's another video. But today, I've got a snack in my canteen cup. That's right, I was gonna cook this up at home real quick as something to eat before I came down and did this because I was hungry. I was like, wait a minute, Bear, that's a perfect thing for camp. So we're gonna cook it up. Oh, I forgot something in my bag. Where is it? Let's see here. Oh, there they are. Dehydrated celery. There's our first ingredient, y'all. Dehydrated celery, some parsley to top it when we're done. And what I've got here is some elbow noodles, about a half a cup. I've got some tuna creations, the buffalo chicken. That's right, we're gonna make buffalo chicken. This is buffalo tuna. We're gonna make buffalo tuna elbow noodles. I brought a little ranch dressing to mix in there so we can get the celery, the elbow noodles, the buffalo, and the ranch, and we'll be good. Be like buffalo chicken on a noodle. So let's cook it up. We need fire. Hello. There she goes. Now my dehydrated celery, I did this at home. I've already got a little bit going in some salted water. So we're gonna pour that in to cook our noodles with. Get in there, celery. You're part of the dish. Let's see, we're gonna need a little more water than that. Water.
That salt in the water is for cooking the pasta. It has nothing to do with hydrating the celery.
I don't know if this is gonna be any good or not. I was just looking in my cabinets for something to eat. Gummy Bear wanted lunch, and I told her to cook some noodles and throw a tuna packet in it. And I was like, well, why don't I do that? So here we are. All right. Water's on. All right, little Bear confessional time. That Coleman Peak 1 stove and that canister of fuel, I accidentally left it in my fire pit and forgot about it. It sat outside for a couple of months, so this is a little bit of a torture test to see how it works. It's been rained on, it's had dirt pulled up on top of it and splashed up on it, and it's going. My water's heating, so here's one to the Coleman Peak 1 for lasting sitting out in my fire pit for a couple of months, and me taking it out here, knocking the dirt off of it, firing it up, and it worked. We might have a boil going. I see the steam coming. Oh yeah. Coleman Peak 1 survived torture test. Accidental torture by Bear. Alright, in goes the pasta. And we set our timer for cooked pasta. That could be anywhere from 6 to 13 minutes depending on your pasta. I believe the macaroni noodles are like about a 10-minute cook time. Maybe a little bit less, about 9-minute cook time. So I'm gonna set a timer for 9 minutes and we'll come back and see what we got. Alright y'all, it's time to put this conglomerate together. Let's see here, let's reserve off some of our pasta water. Alright, now we're going to go get rid of most of that. I left just a little bit of water in here, and we're going to take and we're going to mix in, I don't know, I want to stick my wet spoon in there, like a spoonful of that ranch dressing seasoning packet. Let me see, let me give a noodle a taste here. Oh yeah, ranch flavor's there. It just needed a little bit. So now the buffalo tuna. Oh. Now this is where the pasta water comes in, y'all. So we just want enough back in there to help incorporate everything. A packet of mayo would be perfect at camp. And really it's kind of ready to dig in. Let's put it on the bowl. Ooh, got heavy with the parsley there, didn't I? There we go, there it is, y'all. Buffalo tuna mac. Let's dig in and eat it. Oh man, I'm excited, y'all. Heck yeah. Let's see, I want some of the celery and the tuna and everything. You see that? Don't bite. Here, you can have a bite. That's right. Oh, wow. That's spot on, y'all. There you go. There's your little simple buffalo meal. Buffalo sauce. Doesn't get much easier. We'll see you on the trail. Have you guessed the new mystery flavor of Mountain Dew?